Hello. In these videos we are going to explain to you how to pronounce some French sounds. You're going to see this is not too hard, it's going to work. You also need to record yourself, you need to record your voice. Okay, ready? Do you have your little program to record? So, in these videos, I'm going to explain to you how to pronounce the French sound U. We start with a little test that you're going to do. You have to find out when your tongue touches the teeth on both sides. Does it touch it when you pronounce the sound E or when you pronounce the sound U? So just try it out, and after tell if you feel your tongue here touching your teeth when you pronounce E or when you pronounce U. So it's the E. When you do E, you can feel it here. If you don't feel it, just try again, do it again until you feel it. Okay, so we'll imagine that the sound U in French is like an E. So we're gonna start doing E. I explain first, I do it first, and after you're gonna do it. So I'm going to do an E first, and slowly my mouth, my lips will go in front. I have to concentrate on my tongue. It has to stay there where it is, on both sides. So you can touch here, and you can close your eyes and do it very slowly, because you always have to concentrate in your tongue. Okay? So I'll do it, and after you'll do it. E. Okay, up to you. Okay, did you do it? Let's just repeat it again. Well, very good. Now you know how to pronounce it. If you want, you can go on and repeat some words with me. Tu, su, fus, as-tu, connais-tu, lu, Camus, unité, puce, une. Okay, very good. See you soon.